Omosede ayene. Omosede.
Ma.
Okay. Emiropa. Uvie. Emiropa.
Come on in, you're a good man. Oh, come on. Oh, you're a very good man. Come on in. I been on walk with so no give my you came into my house to ask for Moses. In my house. Oh my God. Oh Hannah, all of a tunnel. Omosede.
My name is Mrs. Uwa Ejinwe. I'm here to talk about molestation on our girls. And we have a story that talks about molestation on a girl child named Omosede.
You want to go?
I'm true, sir.
You can't even clean a little glass. Dear, my friend, to this place. Turn this way. Easy. What's your name? Ahmed Menze.
The reason why I'm out here to talk about this molestation on our girls and the rape is that we've been hearing a story about a girl being raped or being molested by maybe a family member or someone close to the family, or maybe a friend. Why I'm here is to give awareness to our women, especially those that have female children, Please, if you have a female child, try and be close to your children, ask them questions, talk to them.
Like getting, my actions, you won't like it.
Daddy, man boy, it's just a street boy. Maybe no parlor here.
Oh, they all come from Benin. Oh, we street boy. I be someone going, a man to see. They are not who look one. If you one name one of them, or when you live here. So you have the audacity to tell me where a street boy will live here.
The effect on them when they've been raped is really, really bad, because they will not be focused. They will not be able to settle down and read. They can't settle to do anything because their mind always reflects to what has happened to them. They end up becoming a sex worker. They become so violent that you cannot face them. There are so many things that goes with it. They cannot relate to their opposite sex. They just look at them and say, oh, this thing has happened to me, so man is not important to me in my life. It takes time before you see a girl that gets that out of their mind. Please, mothers, the reason why I am begging is that it has been so rampant these days. It's so rampant. Our girls, we need to be close to them. We need to be close to them and ask them questions, talk to them, advise them, so that you get a big girl that you'll be proud of.
So she's not around. Mommy, there. Oh, wait. Mom. Between you and I, my way and any natie eo egwe me tin deni giwe no you can't do that. My better stage in na make Tony nini ya. I've been torn on the room, not now,
I've said all of this in relation to the movie Omosede, the Girl Child, produced by Ehimwenma. This is a movement. Say no to rape.
Yeah. Also by what can I Sophie? Oh, I get it now. Yeah, no, so if you can't want me, banana. Yeah, I got your sign. Now you have seen cassava. Oh, to lava. Open your eyes. Shh, come here. I want to quietly drive inside. And you want drive. I want to drive in soon.
Omosede, the Girl Child. This is a movement. Say no to rape.